History is a series of great shifts. From the printing press to the internet, every major technological leap has sparked the same fear. Will I be replaced? Today, we stand at the edge of perhaps the most profound shift yet: artificial intelligence. AI is no longer confined to factories or labs. It is entering nearly every industry. While this brings immense opportunities for innovation and efficiency, it also raises a critical question. Will AI replace jobs or create more? History suggests that technological disruption rarely eliminates work. It transforms it. In the early 1900s, more than half of the global workforce was employed in agriculture. Today, that number has dropped dramatically, not because work disappeared, but because technology increased productivity and gave rise to entirely new professions. A similar pattern emerged when cars replaced horses. While some traditional roles declined, new industries flourished, creating jobs for designers, mechanics, road builders, and drivers. The introduction of ATMs in the late 1960s sparked fears that bank tellers would vanish. Instead, teller employment grew. ATMs reduced operational costs, allowing banks to expand, while the role of tellers evolved toward customer service and relationship management. The internet followed the same trajectory. It didn't destroy jobs, it created entirely new ecosystems, from web development and digital marketing to cloud computing, cybersecurity, and content creation. The lesson is clear. Technology doesn't eliminate work, it redistributes and redefines it. AI is following the same path. AI is expected to significantly reshape the global workforce by 2030. According to global estimates and projections from organizations like the World Economic Forum and other research bodies, its impact will be defined more by transformation than outright job loss. While a small percentage of roles risk full automation, particularly those based on repetitive, rule-driven tasks, more than 50% of jobs are expected to evolve as workers integrate AI into their daily workflows. At the same time, this shift is balanced by the anticipated creation of tens of millions of new opportunities, especially in technology, data, and AI-adjacent fields. AI is best understood not as a replacement for humans, but as a powerful collaborator. By automating routine and repetitive tasks, AI frees professionals to focus on higher value activities such as creativity, strategic thinking, and innovation. As AI integrates into the economy, jobs are increasingly falling into three categories. High-risk roles, automated tasks. Jobs built on predictable, repetitive processes, such as data entry, basic customer support, and cashier roles, face declining demand. These tasks are easily automated and are already being reduced or redesigned. Evolving roles, AI-assisted jobs. Most professions are not disappearing, but upgrading. Doctors, educators, and developers are using AI to improve efficiency and decision-making. This shift is enabling workers to move beyond routine tasks and engage in more meaningful, complex work earlier in their careers. Human-first roles, creative and strategic skills. Roles that depend on emotional intelligence, creativity, and complex judgment, such as therapists, leaders, entrepreneurs, and artists, remain highly resilient. These fields rely on uniquely human strengths that AI cannot replicate. A new AI-born economy is already taking shape. As AI systems grow, so does the need for professionals who can build, guide, and manage them. Some of the emerging roles include AI machine learning engineer, data scientist, prompt engineer, AI ethics specialist, robotics engineer, automation specialist, AI security specialist, AI product manager. These roles represent just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, new opportunities will emerge, shaped by innovation, industry demand, and human creativity. The future of work is not a battle between humans and machines, but a shift from manpower to mind power. While some roles will decline, many more will evolve, and entirely new ones will emerge. The real risk is not AI itself, but standing still while the world moves forward. Success in this new era will belong to those who embrace change, adapt with intention, and learn to co-pilot with AI, using it to automate the routine while focusing on what truly matters, solving complex problems, driving innovation, and shaping the future. Because this transformation won't end with AI. New technologies will continue to rise, each bringing its own shift. And those who are prepared will not just survive these changes, they will lead them.